I have to go to the dentist. Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. Obligations. I have to. This is video 27 from the series, so be sure to see all the videos in the series. Okay, great. Let's start. Actions. Can you go to a movie? Can you have lunch? Can you go swimming? Can you go shopping? Can you go bowling? Can you go to a party? Can you go dancing? Can you go to the beach? Express obligation. I have to clean my room. I have to fix my car. I have to go to the dentist. I have to wash my clothes. I have to do my homework. I have to work. I have to mop the kitchen. I have to get up early. Okay, conversation. Can you? Can you go to a movie? Sorry, I can't. I have to clean my room. Can you? Can you have lunch? Sorry, I can't. I have to fix my car. Can you? Can you go swimming? Sorry, I can't. I have to go to the dentist. Can you? Can you go shopping? Sorry, I can't. I have to wash my clothes. Can you? Can you go bowling? Sorry, I can't. I have to do my homework. Can you? Can you go to a party? Sorry, I can't. I have to get up early. Can you? Can you go dancing? Sorry, I can't. I have to work. Can you? Can you go to the beach? Sorry, I can't. I have to mop the kitchen. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.